Good afternoon. We're here on the road going to Glendale. Now we're on 134 freeway.
1.5 miles. Take exit 8.
Only 17 minutes.
Oh?
Okay. See. A little congested.
Hindi ako dinadaan dito.
Which way?
Sa 5.
5.
Kasi ma-traffic sa 134 eh. I don't know why. Dito lang. Ayan.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gusto nila ako magdaan sa 134 eh. Kaso nandito ako sa dulo. Hirap lang pumunta doon.
So, alin ka?
Ano
So, 5.
Kung may congested ba akong 5? Baka ako.
I'm not sure.
Ayun, may naka, ano eh. So, may naka... Ano yan? May notice, may message. Hindi ba nakikita dyan?
I don't see pa. Kasi nabablock nitong truck in front of us.
Ayun o. Ay, okay.
No. Yan, it's there. This is the City Hall of Glendale. Oh,
Diretso na ako tayo.
yeah. Okay, we're here at Glendale Galleria. We'll go to the parking. This road is also where we can find the Max Restaurant, the known restaurant in the Philippines.
Diretso ako.
This is Broadway Street,
Ito, Central. Yan o.
intersection of Central.
Yung nililikuan natin. Yan lang.
Sa Galleria ka na, yung Galleria ka magpa-park.
I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go! Ano na?
Let's go. We're still waiting. This is a stop sign. Oh, the mattress. Okay, going straight. Turning left to Galleria, where we can park the car. This is the Glendale Galleria parking.
Structure.
Parking structure ng Glendale Galleria. Okay, going left. The garage A na yan. Sa JCPenney ang entrance. May tumatawid. It's the parking. This is a...
Ayan. Ayan nila niya.
Yes. Parking area. Wala sa kaliwa. Meron nakapark na Cooper.
Meron?
Yes. Good afternoon. Enter tayo ng Glendale Galleria. Nandito tayo sa Glendale Galleria.
May udon na rin.
Diyan tayo kumain dati.
Yan?
Yes. Udon and tempura. Then boba time. Baka later na. Let's go walk around muna. Probably after natin. Wala pang ano. So may optometry pala dito.
Pero nga last stop.
May Lenscraft din dito.
Meron.
Okay. Let's walk around the area. Gahanap kami din ng for eyeglasses ha? Nang? Which one?
Ito sa exam na. Ay. Kung meron bakante.
Doon sa Tigel, hindi natin kilala yun. Akala ko ba sa Lenscraft? Ewan ko. So we're here. Okay, may Dunkin' Donut for time. Oh, may lalaland yung ano, oh. Yung babae, may dala siyang lalaland. Possible. Baka dito sa ano nila. Yeah. So, makikita nyo may Dunkin' Donut dyan. Ah, yeah. Still on vacation pa mga estudyante. So, we can expect more students here walking around the mall.
Yan ang ano, Din Tai Fung.
Yan, Din Tai Fung. Ito, Dr. Martin, no? Doc Martin. Still
Okay, bilang
may Victoria's Secret. Oh, may pila ang Din Tai Fung. Yeah. Ang daming mga estudyante nga. The Coffee Bean. O yan ang Victoria's Secret. Nagpapalamig sa mall ang mga estudyante.
sa mga battery. Meron pala akong battery doon.
Nang?
Nung binili natin, di ba din nakupusan ng ano yan?
Yeah.
Bumili ako ng 4.
Ah, ganito? Ganito din ang size, yung para sa weighing scale? Oo. Sa pink.
Ay, siya na.
Ha?
Yung na?
Saan? Ay, ah. Oh, Starbucks pink. May Uniqlo din dito. Where? 333. Hello Kitty, Rookie, my Target. Dito man nakita yung ano mo, sa JD. Yung dati, yung on shoes. Gusto mo. Ano bilhin natin sa Target? Wala na.
Sa Target.
Nasa escalator tayo going to the second floor. Tingnan natin ang iba pang mga stores on this floor. Arrived here. Oh, may Windsor. Oh. May Nike doon sa side. Pax Lunch. Kids Foot Locker. Ayan ang makikita on the second floor. How do you pronounce that? Sumis? Aeropostal.
Oh, maganda rin yung sa airport.
Wala ko pa silang ano.
Air store.
Ayoko na. Naka-order na ako sa Amazon. That's okay. I'll use that.
50% off.
Ano to? Daniel's Jewelers. Grape. Meron sila. Ayan, may US Polo. May Foot Locker. Kaya may Foot Locker on that side. Then US Polo here. Naka-sale sila. May Verizon. Ano pa ba ang may? Ito, Journeys. Shoes din siya.
Oo.
Dun sa dulo, it's Macy's. M Chocolates. Next na doon, may Pandora. Nag-hello siya sa vlog. You get to catch that para malagay siya sa YouTube. Charlie's Collectibles, Hollister. Hollister? Okay. Let's get inside sa Hollister. Let's check if they have sale. This is the men's section. Pang fall na eh. Buy one, get one 50% off nga lang. Sorry. This is the men's section. Kasi yung 50% niya on your second item. Ikot lang tayo. Ito yung men's section. Ito sa ladies section. No. Pumasok lang tayo. Not really. Pang summer pa rin. Oo nga eh. Pajama nila oh. Oh, it's $35. Mostly mga estudyante mag-start na kasi ang school. Baguio. Buy one, get one. Ah, on everything pala. Buy one, get one 50%. On everything. New and out. Okay, lumabas na tayo sa Hollister. With empty hand. Aha. Hindi.
Darker na color lang.
Cotton on. May Crocs. Adidas. Abercrombie Fits.
Ano ba tayo?
Tingnan natin hanggang dun sa dulo. Hanggang dun sa Macy's. Tapos, baba na tayo. Pareho sila. Ganun ang promo nila. On the second item, where you will apply the 50%. Yung may Zara, pasok tayo ng Zara. Yung sa left side. Actually, here. Dito na papasok ko. Ayan ang Zara. Okay. Pasok tayo ng Zara. Isa sa mga paborito kong store na bilhan. Oh. Ayan, oh, colorful yung dress na yun. Let's get inside Zara. Pasok tayo on our right. Ganyan kalaki yan, no? Check tayo ng items available. Wala silang sale.
Kita na shirt may nakalagay Zara.
Yeah.
Oh, yung mga nakaroon. Kahit na hindi puti. Maganda yung
Okay. Tumabol pa asawa ko. May nakita kasi sa YouTube na merong plain lang yon, but then may Zara kasi na tag. Gusto niya raw yung plain white na may Zara na I think that's embroidered na. Mga dresses, so pang night event, evening event. Oh, yung cute naman ng ano na to, oh. Yung bag niya, simple. And it cost $49 for this small bag. It's $49. I think this is satin. For office. Ito lang yung sa area ng ladies. Tingnan natin to. May long sleeves dito. Actually, maganda sa Zara is textile that they use. This is 150. Simple as that. It's not. Alam mo, matyaga ka lang maghanap. You can find a low price item from Zara. Meron silang section na pwede kang I think that's on sale. Sasabihin naman, Jose, this is my uniform kasi stripes. How much is this? $45. This one is okay. Ang ganda naman nito. See? This is $50. Oh, ang cute. Tapos meron siyang partner na skirt actually. Pero yung blouse is fine. Hindi naman tayo nakakapag-skirt sa opisina. And then this one is small. Pa-square siya, oh. It's white. And it costs $50. Ito yung section na magtsatsaga ka lang to check out para sa mga items. See? 80%. 80% on selected items. So, you'll be patient. You have to be patient lang to look for this. May mga dress sila. But kailangan mong isa-isahin talaga. This is pants. I'm checking kung meron tayong makukuhang dress. What I like in Zara, yung kanilang style. Oh. Ano sana sa mga blouses. Ito yung mga pants and shorts. Yan o, meron siyang dress. Pero fit yung upper part. It's stretch, so it will fit on your body. This one is nice. May partner na siyang pants. The blouse cost $80 and separate yung trouser niya. It's $80 also. So in total, it's $160.
Oh, there's that.
Different style. So, ayan. Dito tayo sa side na to. See this bag? Yan, may isa lang siyang ano sa loob, may zipper. But it's a tote bag. How much is this? It's $60. Not bad. Maganda yung item. May mga for event. Ito, ang ganda to. Dress na to. What size? Parang malaki. XS pa ba ako? Not sure. Maybe small. What size is this? I'm just checking. Yung makuha. This is XS. See? Yung pangmatangkad. Should be from here. But it's nice. It's XS. Simple lang siya and it costs $80. Not bad. Average sa mga blouses, I think around $50. Ito, pang mga occasions. Different occasions. Wow. This red. Oh, this one ang cute din, no? Pa-punch siya. Para sa mga petite. $70. Ito may dress din sa side na to. Oh, it's cute. How much? It's medium, but the price is in euro. What is the conversion in euro? This is nice. In euro, it costs 28 euros. May pants sila. Before yung pants, ang haba naman kasi naman ng pants. How much is their pants? $70, I told you.
Yes, but again,
This corner, check tayo. May stripes na naman. Paborito lang stripes, eh, no? Oh, this kind of dress. What do you think? Stylish, no? How much is this? For the blouse, it's $50. And for the pants, it's $70. So, total $120. Ay, ito yung nakita ko sa harapan. It's good. And that's it. Oh, this corner also they have skirts. Oh, cute na bag. At $60. Oh, yun o. Itong mga dress na ganito yung... I know. Not for me. Okay, labas na tayo. Ayan lang yung Zara. Napakalaki niya. And then, this is only for the ladies section. Meron pa siyang for kids section and for men section. Let me try. Let me see this. Knitted na naman. Mahilig ako sa knitted. Madali ma-attract ng mata ko ang mga knitted. Okay. Let's go. Oh, nahulog. Let's go. Okay. Oh, ito, mango. Sorry naman ba? Okay. See, they saw us. vlogging, so they want to be in the video. Ito yung Bath and Body Works. Yan yung mga... Oo nga, no. Cinnabon Häagen-Dazs. Ito yung Express Man. Ayan. Nag-walk around the area lang tayo. Cinnabon yun eh. Ayun ang Banana Republic. Wala pa tayong budget for shopping. Kailangan pa nating mag-ipon from our salary. Dito na si Boba Time. Yeah, may banyo dito. Ito yung Clarks. Oh. Bibili nga ako ng... Ay, ito pala isa kong pag-iipon. Just na may heels. Chanel. Bibili tayo ng boba. Pero I get to eat something before the boba. Ha? Gusto mo din? O yung may restroom. Skin laundry. Okay, nandito tayo sa... Ano tawag dito? Nandito tayo sa kainan sa Glendale Galleria. We are checking kung anong masarap kainin. They have here Italian kitchen. Italian kitchen. Pizza. I got pizza the other day. Yung stone oven. Saan kaya pumunta ang asawa ko? Ako tumitingin sa stone oven. May Panda Express, may Masses Kebab. Dito ka. Mag-check ako doon sa, yung may malapit sa boba. Okay, may Five Guys, may bento box. Yung Phyllis, nawala nung nag-close no, may Artists Express. Punta tayo doon sa malapit sa boba. Kalimutan ko ng tawag sa ano. Gusto ko lang not really a meal. So better I'll buy boba na. Makahingi na lang kaya ako pag-host. Oh, wala din dito. Ang meron dito ay restaurants na. Beard Papas, Panini Kebab, udon and tempura. May golden sushi dito. Oh, cakes ang meron sa boba. Sweet na nga yung boba din, boba ulit. Ang usually inano ko pa dito yung frosty milk with boba and pudding. Maybe I'll get the same. It's boba time. May Dubai. Oh, New Dubai chocolate frap. Really? Try that kaya. May pistachio. Bago to Let me try that one na Misan Dubai no. Kaya na meron silang milky iced smoothie. Hi, let me try. It's available, Dubai chocolate frap.
You want to do that one?
Huh?
You want to do that one?
Yes. Is it available, right?
Yeah, that one's okay.
Is there any size for that or one size?
It only comes in one size. It's in the crystal cup, so it's like a equivalent of a large.
Okay, no worries. I'll try
Any
it.
boba today?
Can you add?
Anything else?
That's it.
It's going to be $7.50.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we're going to call it out for you. It's going to be on this side.
Thank you.
See where he's 158.
Let's just try. That's the boba thing. I'm not sure if Jose will try to drink that. Oh, my infinity dito. It cost $750. May Kura revolving sushi doon sa side. This is also the boba time. Ayan yung kinuha ko. New Dubai chocolate frap. We'll see how will it taste. May pistachio, chocolate swirl. The usual na kinukuha ko dito, either taro milk tea or yung ano yung sinabi ko kanina? Yung frosty milk with boba and pudding just to make a difference. Nag-try tayo sa New Dubai something na yun. Chocolate frap. Okay, punta na tayo sa boba. No, this is kasi yung exit din namin kung saan kami nag-park. Yung in-order ko kanina ng New Dubai chocolate frap, ang tamis sobra. Pipicturean ko lang yung at kasi sisend ko kay na Ate Raquel. Ayan, dyan tayo bumili ng boba time. I think I'll go back to my usual order sa boba time. And that's the frosty milk with boba and anong tawag dun sa isa? Pudding. Ito yung in-order ko. Let me take a picture. Gusto ko kasi siyang isend din Ate Raquel. Yeah. Okay, let's go now. Exit na tayo. Going to the parking lot again. Kung saan tayo